Namaste. Hi. Where do I begin? In these modern times of information overload, how we can just gain access to a particular information or resource on a snap of our fingers so easily because of the internet, is still the most common question. Where do I begin? Okay. When it comes to Hatha Yoga, okay, the books would just mention the techniques. Yeah. And then those techniques, yeah, may look simple, yeah, but when you do them, they're actually quite difficult. For example, just crossing like this. You're lucky if you can hold this for like 5 minutes without any heaviness or restlessness. And then for a lot of people, this is quite intense. Okay. And this could dampen your motivation to begin the practice because how can I sustain this while performing the energetic observances? So, how do I prepare my body so I can sustain this for long periods of time when I do my meditation or my pranayama? So, my goal for this tutorial is to prepare you and then give you simple exercises you can start with at home. Again, before practicing advanced energetic techniques of breathing exercises, meditation, bandha mudra, you need to prepare the body. I cannot overemphasize that principle. The body is the pathway for the energy flowing within. If you have stagnation, blocking the major centers, doing those advanced techniques could even hurt you and damage your vital system, especially Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga, superficially, the techniques look simple, but they are the most sensitive. So the body being the first thing to accomplish. Of course, before you're doing this physical techniques, we need to prepare the mental and then even our life. Yeah, sorting out our plans, our schedule, our diet, those things would have to be considered as well. But when you're now ready, given that you have that ready, where do you begin your physical journey? All right. So I'd like to mention here, yeah, that the two body parts that we pay attention to with regards to opening the body are the spine and the hips. Only these two. When the spine and the hips are open, supple, mobile, dynamic, and strong, the rest shall follow. Even your breath will just follow. And then, depending, of course, on your calling, if you're just after the general health and wellness, performing simple techniques I will be sharing with you will suffice. And then grow it. Yeah? Grow it for months. And then when you feel like you're ready to progress, I've given a number of lessons, classes you can practice with in conjunction with your meditation or pranayama. All right, but I have to mention as well, grow your physical techniques first for about 3 months before incorporating breathing exercises. 3 months of developing the body, or even go as long as 6 months, then start to combine pranayama. And when it comes to pranayama or breathing exercises, my recommendation is the Nadi Shodhana. And I've given a number of lessons, classes about that. So you can just practice with them. So my goal for today is to initiate you without the complexity. Yeah. So can we start standing? So this is a simple exercise, and probably this will resonate to you because yeah, in school we do this. Yeah. All right. So sitting upright. Okay. So you may start by walking. Yeah, easy. Yeah, just to release the brain. You can do some neck bend. You can glide your shoulders around like that. And you can do a bit of a swing here and there. Good. Random ones you can bounce, You can jog or do some high knees, and then you can also do, yeah, some gentle hopping, right? Just to initiate your energy, okay? But a minute of that would suffice. Then stand upright. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fold the knees and touch your feet, touch your toes, touch your knees, touch your shoulders, and over the head. All right, and then repeat that. Feet, knees, shoulders, over the head. And then let's combine the breath. Inhale as you tip forward. Exhale as you touch those body parts. And inhale. Good. If you're lacking the flexibility, keep your knees bent and then drive using your hips. Yeah? So if you cannot straighten the legs, do this. Okay? Keep your knees bent and then drive using your hips. All right. And you can roll your spine as you rise up. Okay. Now, for example, you're having difficulty breathing and synchronizing the breath. That's fine. Don't be stressed. Just breathe easy as you flow up and down. Good. But of course, yeah, this is what I recommend. At the top, inhale to elongate. Good. And if you feel like breathing as we flow through, do that. But at the top, take a moment to inhale. To initiate. Exhale. Yes, like that. Yeah. About what? 1 minute of this. Yeah. Breathing through it. Yeah. That's about like for 7 or 8 repetitions. Yeah. And then after that's it, yeah, break the cycle by performing this, yeah, like you are just bouncing up and down, some high knees. Yeah, it's a playful way of releasing stagnation. Good. And then legs apart, arms together, hands together, and we swing those arms between the legs like you're chopping wood. The breath here, exhale down, inhale up. It's also a back bend, this one, because you're curling the spine at the top. How many? Just as many as you can perform. Yeah, 5 or 6 or 7. That's fine. Good. And return. And then repeat the process again. Toes, knees, shoulders up. Feet, knees, shoulders left. Good. 3, 2, 1, and up. Down, rolling slowly up. Like that. Beautiful. Yeah. Everyone, unless you're injured, yeah, and then you're recovering from an accident or, for example, um, intense or grave issue of your major body parts, well, that sequence is very doable. 3 sets, breaking each set by doing those swinging side to side, twisting here and there, hopping, jogging. You can also walk around your place. That would suffice. 10 to 15 minutes morning practice, and that will initiate your body. And then you will feel right away an instantaneous effect. And grow that 3, 4, 5, 6 months before advancing to other techniques. And then you can now start to learn the classical ones, Sukhasana, or you can do a flow, or some classical or modern yogic posture. I know, yeah, with the influx of information, where the brain is being flooded with this information here and there, yeah, our mental system gets so confused where to begin, how to start, and then most of them are not even doable. Hopefully, this lesson shall assist you. Especially we're heading into the new year. Yeah, this is the best time to start that year already. Every day.